Hi, I'm Alexandra Schain. I'm a nurse practitioner here with Middletown Primary Care in Middletown, and I'm from Connecticut. I live in South Glastonbury. In my position providing patient care, I really value a partnership with my patients where we have a really trusting relationship between each other. I value building care around their needs and trying to treat the whole patient more than just head to toe, taking into account their social needs, psychological care that they need, just everything that really encompasses making them feel well. I think one of the things that nurse practitioners really bring to the table in providing care is their foundation of care. As a nurse, which is where we all start before we become nurse practitioners, everything is centered around caring from just getting the patient what they need, whether it's a glass of water or a pat on the back. And we carry that philosophy through the care that we provide in primary care. When I'm not in the office, I love being outside. I love to go for hikes with my family. I also really enjoy playing tennis. Tennis was a big part of my family. Both my parents played, and my husband is also a strong player, and that's actually how we met. So tennis has always been a big part of my life. Middlesex Hospital is a magnet hospital, which is one of the reasons I was drawn there to start my nursing career. They have a fantastic nurse residency program, and that's where I started as a nurse, learning how to take care of patients. Middlesex Health is a great place to come for your care. I think we really do try every day to put our patients first and get them whatever they need, whether it's medication, whether it's a referral, whether it's just talking to the right person. I value the health that we provide here so much that I use Middlesex Health for my family as well.